We've just acquired this lovely Q5 S-Line Quattro. It's just literally arrived. It's got front park distance control. It's just going to have 2 brand spanking new tyres on the front. It's got the upgraded wheels on it. It's just going to be serviced and MOT'd as well. It's got the rear privacy glass, rear park distance control. This is the Quattro model, which is 4-wheel drive. Absolutely gleaming paintwork, as you can see. You see my reflection. S-Line badged. So the rear electric tailgate. Interior is in absolutely stunning condition throughout. Full leather interior. Electric windows, electric mirrors, S-Line embossed front seats. It's got automatic headlights. I'll just start the car up. The S-Line steering wheel, got cruise control, satellite navigation, climate control, 3-stage heated seats. Got Bluetooth connectivity, DAB radio, media pack, 6-speed gearbox, USB in there. Really is in lovely condition. Quattro inside. 91,786 miles. At DJH, we're full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.